Hey class, so as I told you in our alphabet video, our focus letter for the week is the letter U. And if you look at our words up at the top, they all have one letter in common, and that is the letter U. And as you can see, the U could be at the beginning of the word. It could also be in the middle of the word. Okay, so we are going to practice using our knowledge of our sounds to read these words. Let's start here. Up, up. Up, up, pup, pup, d, mud, mud, fun, fun, g, rug, rug, cub, cub. So now that we've practiced those words, let's practice reading them in a sentence. Gus, got, mud, on, the, rug. Now notice that I'm using my finger to help me touch my sounds and swipe underneath the words that I'm reading. This helps make sure that I'm reading each word and that I'm also reading the word correctly. Okay, so help me. The, cub, and pup, had, fun. The cub and pup had fun. The cub and pup had fun. Okay, I want you to watch this video as much as you need to so that you get comfortable and confident reading those words. You are going to be reading 2 books this week that use our sight words from the week, do and down, as well as our focus letter for the week, the letter U. Good luck reading. I look forward to hearing you guys read.